And this is from down south again, but the neighbouring state of Karnataka. As the Congress government completes 2.5 years in Karnataka, the chief ministerial Karnataka continues with whispers of the November revolution only growing louder. Now, the BJP, let us tell you, has mocked this Game of Thrones in the state with a tongue-in-cheek jab at the Congress, posting an image of Mallikarjun Kharge, D.K. Shivakumar, G. Parameshwara and Satish Jarkioli all sitting in a line outside a shop that's been titled Chief Minister's Suit Tailor Specialist with a sign that reads, "We stitch suits for oath-taking ceremonies." That's the very poster we're speaking of on your screens at this given point. Meanwhile, Minister Zamir Ahmed has tried to quieten the chatter, saying Chief Minister Siddaramaiah will serve his full term. He's added that while D.K. Shivkumar's supporters want him to take charge, that can only happen after Siddaramaiah completes his 5-year tenure this time. But the speculation still refuses to die down, let us tell you. With leaders like Parameshwara and Jarkioli also in the race, both D.K. Shivkumar and Satish Jarkioli are in fact expected to meet the top brass of the Congress High Command in Delhi soon, as they will both be visiting.
ನಾನು 2028ವರೆಗೂ ಮನೆ ಈ ಪೂರ ಅವಧಿ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಆಸೆ ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳು ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
See, ours is a national party and the leadership is in Delhi, and it's quite natural that for two reasons people go to Delhi. One is for their interdepartmental work, which is connected with the union government, and the other is of course to meet our national leaders. So I don't think so there is any big issue that which has to be made out in the media.
Your own MLA, sir, the kind of statements are
that is because you media people come every day and ask us. You keep your camera off for 2 days, see, then you will see the progress of Karnataka.
leadership change, CM change, all
ये अरे जो भी है ऊपर वाले डिसाइड करेंगे, हाई कमांड डिसाइड करेगा. There is nothing. Everybody's concentration is on Gujarat now. Karnataka is not on the high command's radar right now. Whatever it is, whatever decisions have to be taken will be taken by our high command. Mr. Kharge is there, Mr. Rahul Gandhi is there. They will decide what needs to be done, whether there should be a reshuffle, whether there should be any other thing.
happening here, sir, the kind of
Nothing is happening here.
So those are the statements coming in from the very ministers there in Karnataka at this given point. And we have Sagar Raj joining us on the broadcast, who's been keeping a very close track of all these reactions coming in. And the entire November revolution buzz that's also been growing. Sagar, very good afternoon to you. This is what we are learning at this point. The leaders have to say that this is not that crucial a meeting which will decide the tenure of Siddaramaiah in Karnataka. That is D.K. Shivkumar and Jarkioli, who both are to be visiting the national capital soon. So what at this given point is the situation within the Karnataka Congress?
Now, according to the sources, Satish Jarkioli was supposed to leave yesterday from Belagavi to Delhi. However, at the last minute, it was been postponed to Thursday. And what we get to learn through our sources is that Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge and Surjewala will be in Bihar campaigning. So they are not available, and that is the reason the meeting has been postponed. So whether this particular meeting is about power sharing or cabinet reshuffle is yet to be disclosed by the leaders. But when it comes to D.K. Shivkumar, there was a program of book launch in Delhi, which has been now rescheduled here in Bengaluru, and that book launch will be happening here at Vidhan Sabha Banquet Hall, and the second event will be the court hearing, and it is quite tentative that if he might visit Delhi, and in all possibilities, if he visits Delhi, he might meet High Command. And even if you notice that the leaders in Karnataka have defended the leaders visiting Delhi, stating that their High Command is in Delhi and there is nothing wrong in meeting them. And even Priyank Kharge went on to justify, saying that if he doesn't meet the Congress leaders, whom else he can meet, whether he can meet any BJP or RSS leaders is the question which has been raised. So the leaders here in the state are defending their leaders, visiting Delhi, and anything might happen, as Congress leaders had predicted that there are high possibilities of November revolution in the state of Karnataka.
Right, Sagai, thank you for bringing us all those details on this very story that we've been tracking very closely. What happens in this month of November within the Karnataka Congress is something we will also keep a very close watch on.